Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by defining your audience clearly and measuring reach before DNS setup. Identify a target audience of 1,000 to 10,000 relevant users who will consume sponsor content. Decide specific deliverables such as 1 sponsored article, 3 social posts, or a newsletter slot. Set pricing that reflects value and projected engagement. Prepare a concise one-page pitch that fits email, PDF, or direct message and highlights outcomes and metrics. Next, build credibility fast with assets sponsors trust before DNS goes live. Assemble a one-page media kit including audience demographics, engagement metrics, and clear pricing. Include 2 to 5 testimonials or past results to demonstrate proof of performance. Create a short pilot or trial offer, such as a 30-day discount or 1 low-risk sponsored slot. This reduces sponsor hesitation and shows you can deliver even without a published domain. Finally, execute targeted outreach and negotiate terms to close sponsorships before DNS. Identify 10 to 30 ideal sponsors and reach out via email, LinkedIn, and warm introductions. Send a concise pitch in your media kit, then follow with a 3-step follow-up sequence over 10 to 14 days. Negotiate deliverables, ask for a 25% deposit to reserve dates, and sign a simple contract outlining timelines, payment, and cancellation terms.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.